Hello, and welcome to the new and improved Learn site. My name is Hannah, and for the next couple minutes, I will be guiding you through the top 3 changes to Learn. By the end of the short video, you will understand 1. How to take full advantage of Learn's redesigned homepage, 2. Explore our new tutorial series pages, and 3. Navigate expertly through tutorials and tips. For the best viewing experience, we recommend browsing Learn using Chrome. With that, let's dive right in. When you first visit the new Learn home page, you'll notice a large banner covering the top of the site. This banner will update regularly and feature new or important areas of the Learn site. If you're interested, click the images to learn more. To return to the home page, simply click the logo in the top left of the site. Moving across to the top right of the home page, you'll notice a dark blue button. Click on it and a form field will drop down. Please use this button to contact us with any questions, concerns, or inquiries. Your message will then be sent to a member of our educational team. Below the banner, we've updated our tutorial navigation to meet the needs of different users. You can browse our tutorials, first, by grade level, 2, by the language you wish to learn, or 3, by the hardware that you have available. Or, if you want to view all the tutorials at once, simply navigate to the top of the page and click on Tutorials. From here, you can narrow your search using drop-down menus. We've also provided tutorial series pages for all our educational platforms and kits. You can find the tutorial series pages on the home page by clicking on homepage links like ActivityBot or Scribbler3. Or, you can click on the Tutorial menu tab and navigate to the far left and select Tutorial Series. Let's click on the ActivityBot with C tutorials and explore the new features of the Tutorial Series pages. Series pages compile individual tutorials into consecutive sections. Each section builds off the last. Most tutorial series, though not all, include prerequisites, main lessons, and projects. Click on an individual tutorial you're interested in. In this case, let's explore the Propeller C programming with the ActivityBot, and you'll find improved navigation on the left-hand side. The top segment featuring the tutorial's name divides the tutorial into manageable sections. Click on any section and you will be taken to that page. Below that, each tutorial series featuring this tutorial will be listed. Click on the subheaders to navigate between the tutorials in the series. Click on any link and you'll be taken to that section. And with that, thanks for tuning in. We hope you love our new Learn redesign as much as we do. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out using the Let's Chat button on the home page. Until next time, keep on learning.